Hey fly babies, and welcome to day 4 of our 21 days to an organized home with the Fly Lady system. Yes, people who are new to the Fly Lady system are officially known as fly babies, and I hope you are enjoying flying. Now on day 4, we are going to pick tomorrow's outfit. Yes, so far we have shined our sink, we have dressed to shoes, and we have tackled a hotspot. So now we pick out tomorrow's outfit today. So this makes it so much easier, so that when it's time for you to dress to shoes, your clothes are picked, your jewelry is picked. Okay, you already know your shoes since you're dressing to shoes, but it really keeps things going. And for us working moms, I've seen friends of mine who prefer to pick out a whole week's worth of outfits and just prepare them, so that when Monday comes, it's boom, boom, boom. You know the dress you're going to wear, you know the shoes, you know the everything, so that you don't waste time in the morning. There's so much you can achieve in the morning, and you don't want to waste precious moments figuring out, oh, which top goes with what, or which jacket no longer fits because you have lost weight, you know, and all that. So now let's pick out today's outfit and tick day number 4 as done. And baby step number 4 is done. I hope you are seeing how the Fly Lady system is not just about cleaning, but she's very big on us taking care of ourselves. And so now, don't forget that you are going to keep ticking and checking your boxes. So far every day we are shining our sink, we are dressing to shoes, we're putting out a hotspot, and now we're picking out tomorrow's outfit. Also remember to keep filling out your morning, afternoon, and evening routine. Personally, I find it is best to pick out tomorrow's outfit the night before. So I'm going to put that in my evening routine, and I will consider it done. I will see you tomorrow for baby step number 5, and bye.